Hello everyone, this tutorial will teach you how to replace the chainring. Here are the two tools we'll need for this task. Step 1. Remove old chainring. Pry open the dust cover. Use this tool to unscrew the chainring fixing nut. Insert the tool into the center of the chainring to grip the nut on the axle, then rotate the sleeve counterclockwise with a wrench to remove the fixing nut. Screw the threaded end of this tool clockwise into the center of the chainring. After tightening, rotate the other end of the sleeve clockwise to push out the chainring. Rotate counterclockwise to remove the disassembly tool. Step 2. Install new chainring. When installing a new chainring, first attach the chain to the chainring. Ensuring the two cranks are offset by 180 degrees, and then insert the chainring into the bottom bracket. Screw the fixing nut into the axle. Remove the tool, turn the crank, and check if the chain is running smoothly. After tightening, cover with the dust cap. The chainring replacement is complete. If you have any questions, please contact us.